Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can really enhance your driving experience, the Scosche BTFM5 Bluetooth hands-free car kit with digital FM transmitter and dual 12W USB charging ports. We found this handy device online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Scosche BTFM5? In simple terms, it's a Bluetooth car kit that allows you to wirelessly stream music directly from your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices to your vehicle's FM stereo. This means you can enjoy your favorite tunes, podcasts, or audiobooks without the hassle of tangled wires or outdated technology. Now, let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, the BTFM5 has a built-in FM transmitter, which means you can enjoy high-quality sound streaming via your car's existing audio system. No special equipment is needed, just tune your radio to the designated frequency, and you'll be ready to go. One of the key highlights of this device is its hands-free calling capability. Thanks to the latest Bluetooth technology, you can easily make and receive calls while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. This is incredibly important for safety and is a feature that many drivers will appreciate. For those who are always on the go, the Scosche BTFM5 is powered through your car's 12V outlet, allowing for unlimited transmitting and listening hours. No need to worry about battery life here, simply plug it in, and you're set for your entire journey. Charging your devices on the road is a breeze, too. This device comes equipped with dual 12W USB-A ports. This means you can charge two mobile devices simultaneously, whether that's your smartphone, tablet, or any other USB-compatible device. The fast charging feature is a real plus, especially for drivers who spend a lot of time in their vehicles. Additionally, the BTFM5 features user-friendly controls that allow you to adjust the volume, play or pause music, answer or hang up calls, and even access voice commands like Siri and Google Voice. This makes it super convenient to manage your audio and calls without needing to fumble around with your phone. Who is this product suitable for? If you're a commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys music while driving, the Scosche BTFM5 is an excellent addition to your vehicle. It's particularly great for those who own older cars lacking modern Bluetooth connectivity or AUX ports but still wish to enjoy the latest audio technologies. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine you're on a long drive, and you want to listen to your favorite playlist. Simply connect your smartphone via Bluetooth, find the right FM frequency, and enjoy. Or maybe you're in the middle of a busy workday and need to take an important call, just press the button, and the BTFM5 will enable you to talk hands-free, keeping you safe on the road. In conclusion, the Scosche BTFM5 Bluetooth hands-free car kit is a versatile and user-friendly device that modernizes your driving experience. With its FM transmitter, dual charging ports, and hands-free capabilities, it has everything a driver could need to stay connected and entertained on the road. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.